So I'm walking across the oval to pick up my daughter from school. It's the first week back. She's very excited to be there. And I realise as I'm walking across the oval that I've got shortness of breath, I'm wheezing, my chest feels tight and I can't breathe. And I know that that's the start of an asthma attack for me. Last time I started to feel this way, it dragged on for a few weeks and I was quite sick. So what I do is go home and call my GP.
By the time she gets to me, it's weeks later, and she talked to her GP at the time, but I don't have access to that information.
I'm just trying to remember. I don't think that I actually took my preventer that morning.
I need to know, was the weather bad that day? Was the pollen count really high? Did she go to a new place?
I know some of my triggers, but it's sort of hard to know what was going on with the weather completely that day. It could have been something in the air, but it could have been something else.
It's difficult for me to give her the care she deserves with all these pieces of information missing. Sadly, this story is not unique. It's one that's very common in our healthcare system, and it happens to patients with all different sorts of chronic healthcare issues.
Luckily, we all carry smartphones, and those devices can capture incredibly useful information. I can connect data from wearables and case histories to ensure everyone is looking at the same thing.
This would be possible without the need for the development of new technology, and it would mean that we go from our current disjointed system to a future where healthcare is connected.
With the right information, I could go see my specialist to work out what's going on exactly with me at that point in time, rather than waiting till later on when things have settled down.
I could have access to her daily symptom scores, as well as environmental data.
We can bring together accurate patient data, research, best practice quality control to ensure better health outcomes.
So imagine a healthcare system which keeps improving with the increased feedback. So not only do we improve care to her, but that information also drives improvement in the whole system.
It'd be really great to have the right data to work with my GP so that I can be as healthy as possible.
The potential for connected health is right in front of us.